This is an often asked question, man-machine interface, when you are dealing with a software and say a hardware along with it, and many other cases. So there are certain questions. One of the prominent one is what is the MMI protocol we follow. So this human-machine interface or HMI or MMI is a component of certain devices that are capable of handling the human-machine interaction, human and then machine interaction. So the interface consists of hardware and the software, as I just suggested, that allow user inputs to be translated as signals for machine that in turn provide the required results to the user. This human machine interface technology has been used in different industries like electronics, entertainment, military, and medical. Human machine interfaces they help in integrating humans into a complex technological system. They can interface, they can talk with them. And human machine interface is also known as a man machine interface. Human machine and man HMI is equivalent to MMI. The computer human interface or human computer interface, all these are synonyms. So, what is an HMI? It is an acronym of human machine interface, and this can be designed as just that, an interface between a user and a machine. And HMI is considered as an interface, a very broad term that can include your MP3 players, also industrial computers, the household appliances, the office equipment. But an HMI is more specific to manufacturing and process control system. This HMI provides a visual representation of a control system, and it provides a real-time data acquisition. So an HMI can increase productivity by having a say centralized control server that is extremely user-friendly. This is the diagram of a black diagram of HMI. This is HMI. You can have various drivers and motors, and here you interface with it. This is PLC where you're going to integrate with it or interact with this. This HMI is exactly what the name implies, a graphical interface that allows a human and machine to interface. And human machine interfaces they vary widely from say control panels for nuclear power plants to even the screen on your mobile phone. We are referring to an HMI control panel in this discussion right now for manufacturing type processes because mostly HMI is related to this manufacturing field only. And HMI is the centralized control unit for manufacturing lines equipped with data, recipes, event logging, video feed, and event triggering so that one may access the system at any moment for any purpose. And for a manufacturing line to be integrated with an HMI, it must first be working with say PLC as we just saw in the block diagram, a programmable logic controller, and it is this PLC that takes the information from the sensor. It transforms it to the Boolean algebra so that the HMI can decipher and make decisions. These are the examples of HMI because you are human, you are interacting with it, and the technological aspects are on the background. So there are three basic types of HMIs: the push button replacer, the data handler, and the overseer. The push button replacer, the data handler, and the overseer. So before the HMI came into existence, a control might consist of hundreds of push buttons and LEDs performing different operations. And the push button replacer HMI has streamlined the manufacturing process now and centralizing all the functions of each button into one location. And the data handler is perfect for applications requiring constant feedback from the system or printouts of the production reports. And with this data handler, you must ensure that HMI screen is big enough for such things as graphs and visualization like visual representations and production summaries. And the data handlers, they include such functions like recipes, data trending, data logging, alarm handling, logging, and finally, anytime an application, say, you can name any application, an overseer HMI is extremely beneficial. The overseer HMI, like this, will most likely need some operating system to run and several Ethernet ports. How to select an HMI? An HMI is a substantial purchase. It is important to know exactly what you are going to buy and why you require it. So an HMI is used for three primary roles: a push button replacer, as we just saw, data handler, and overseer. The push button replacer takes the place of the LEDs on our button switches or any other mechanical device that performs a control function. And the elimination of these mechanical devices is possible because the HMI can provide a visual representation of all the devices on its LCD screen while performing all these same functions. The data handler is used for applications that require constant feedbacking and monitoring, as we have just saw. And these data handlers can be equipped with large capacity memories also. And the last of the HMI is Overseer, because it works with SCADA and MES, as we just seen. So these are centralized systems that monitor and control entire sites or complexes of large system spread over large areas. And HMI is usually linked to the SCADA systems database and the software programs to provide trending diagnostic data and management in transformation and information. Thank you so much. This was about HMI.